Open
Dora,
your eyes.
Boots, ice cream, and Dora's bringing you a present.
Wasn't that a nice card that Lily made for you?
Yeah. Happy birthday, Boots. Happy birthday,
Yeah.
Fiona. Dora.
Hey, Lily, can you let her talk about what's on there?
Dora, Boots.
Yeah.
Dora, Boots. Love, Lily. Love Lily. And Love Lily has decorations around it.
Can you give Lily a hug and say thank you?
Yeah.
Yeah, say thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome.
Okay, you want to get some of the presents?
Yeah, I'll get the present.
Wasn't
Sit
that
down.
wasn't this a beautiful card that she made for you?
Wait.
Lily, Boot. That's Dora.
Boots.
That's Boots. I made labels.
Yeah, you did.
Labels.
Labels.
We're practicing
Okay.
labels.
Okay, sit down.
So it's really good.
Okay, sit down.
This is
Here,
for
Fiona.
Fiona. Fiona.
The card is such a big hit.
Yoo-hoo.
Fiona.
Here's a present.
Look, here's a present.
Here, from, okay, can you move so Daddy could just sit on the side of her? It's from Mommy and Daddy and Lily, okay?
Mommy, Daddy, and Lily. Oh, good job. I think you have to do it the other way. Good job. Oh, I know what it is. It's a book. Is that a book?
Yeah.
Yeah. I got the boot. No, it's not darn boots. Oh, it is. Let's see. Oh, it's Dora.
Cool.
I can help you. There, it's done. And a love book. And a love book. See?
How do you know it's a love book?
Because it has hearts.
Okay.
I love my family. I'm adorable. Why don't you look at it?
Look at that Dora book. Yeah.
Dora. She's so excited. I like a boot.
Yeah, you like that.
This present?
Yeah.
Okay,
Look,
let's
here's-
open. You want to open your other presents?
It's that.
Here, bring, wait a second. Bring
Yeah,
that to her, too.
let her do it.
Let her do it. Yeah.
The
Here.
card won't be too hard.
No.
Here.
Fiona,
Here.
let's open the other presents.
Yeah, and then we can read those tonight, okay?
Okay.
I'll block it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a bowl.
It's a bowl. You
It
need
is a
help?
bowl.
Yeah, please. You can help me.
Okay.
Oh, you're so polite, Fiona.
Oh, I have a necklace.
Here's the card.
I'm
Okay,
so
now-
Let's
happy.
open the card.
Open.
Oh, look at the cute card. It's a 2.
Fiona, look at
It's a big
Fiona.
tool.
Look at Daddy. Okay, Lily, let Fiona do some stuff. It's a 2.
Two. It's a two.
And it says, Peekaboo, guess who's 2? Sweet little you, that's who. Happy 2nd birthday. Love, Great Uncle Don and Great Aunt Jan. Isn't that nice?
That was
Yeah.
nice of them.
Dong. Great Uncle Dong is Aunt Papa's brother.
That's right.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a shirt.
His twin brother. Oh,
Isn't that a shirt?
I don't
That
know.
might be
Do you
a-
need some help?
It might
I
be
think it's yeah.
or it might be a dress.
Yeah, I think it's
Ooh.
Look.
Oh.
Oh.
I can
She's
hold
like,
it up.
Dora book. Look at Fiona. Look.
Yes.
Look.
Fiona, it even fits me.
Mm.
It even fits me, see?
Oh, well, it's a little
Oh,
small.
but you
Isn't
get
it
this.
pretty?
Yeah.
Look at that.
You like it?
Give her another one.
Okay.
Can you give her another one? Oh,
Wait, there's
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 more.
more.
There's more.
Smells like home.
Second. Want to open this card?
Yeah, bring the card first.
Bring the card
Okay,
first.
and a present too.
Oh, gentle.
Here's a song one, I think.
Sit down. Sit down, Fiona.
And then
Calm down. I know this is exciting for you.
Fiona, do you want a necklace? Oh, look at a book. That's not a book. Hey. Just.
happy birthday.
Let her do it, Lily.
Very happy birthday. Can you open the card? You don't. Oh, that doesn't open.
Yeah. It's saying
What is that?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Love, Papa and Grandma Sue.
That's so cute.
Hoops and Yo-Yo. Yeah, they're very funny.
Those two little characters.
Who's this guy?
Who's this guy?
Who's that guy? Yeah, see? Don't you make the
Cookie
Grover
Monster,
cake?
the
Yeah.
Cookie Monster.
Mhm. And the Count.
Lily.
Lily,
What?
you have to sit out.
Oscar. Otherwise, Daddy can't. The picture doesn't work. Ernie. Okay, rip it up. What cute paper, huh?
Yeah, all these are
Turn that light on.
I can get it from Lily Jerry.
Oh, jammies. That's
Ooh.
right. Oh, aren't they cute?
Wow.
Fiona.
No.
Fiona,
Bigger?
what's all over those jammies?
Yeah, they're jammies.
Oh,
Do you like the jammies?
soft.
They're soft. What's on the jammies?
They're really soft. Daddy,
What's
do
on the
you really
jammies?
soft?
What is this?
Ah,
A heart.
yeah. Lily, me.
Look at the camera. Can you say thank you, Papa?
Say, Papa. There you go, Fee.
Can you say
Another
thank you,
present.
Grandma Sue?
That was good. No, wait. Say thank you, Grandma Sue. Grandma Sue. Here you go. Take the present.
Okay,
And
open
rip
it
it.
up.
Here, here. Hold it. Good. Over here. Here.
Rip.
Hard.
Rip.
Rip.
Rip it. Rip it.
Rip
Rip
it.
it.
Rip it. Can I help? Yeah.
No, sweetie.
Yeah. I wonder what it is. Ooh.
What's this?
Ooh.
What's that?
Another dress.
Oh, another dress.
Oh, look, it has a little dog
Look
on it.
it. What's that? Look at that.
Oh.
What is that?
Daddy.
What is this,
It's
Fiona?
a little doggy.
What is
It
that?
has buttons. It has buttons.
That's
It is buttons.
a heart.
Yeah.
Ooh, little
Oh,
soft
how
doggy.
cute is
Fiona,
that?
Little soft doggy in a boat.
Okay.
Pretty.
Go get another present. That is so cute. Isn't that
Oh,
cute?
okay.
That's
Say